All right, so what we're doing is we're installing the Brock Black Design horn covers on here. This is what you're gonna see on your bike. Most all the Indian side covers, we already took the cover off. Your horn is located here. What we're doing is we've built our own bracket for our horn covers, and what we're gonna be doing today is putting the bracket on with the horn and relocating the horn onto our bracket and then putting our horn cover onto the bracket. All right, so what we did is we took our Brock Black Design bracket, we put it on here. It does come with the bolts. We rearranged where the horn normally sits, put it onto our bracket, and then basically when you get your painted horn cover, whatever design you actually decide to do, then basically we install it, and we'll do that in the next step. But we wanted to show you how the installation of the horn. You can also upgrade your horn to one of our Screaming Banshee horns as well. That will fit underneath our horn covers. You will have to do a little bit of wiring if you decide to upgrade to a two-prong system, but that's a pretty easy fix for you. Okay, so we got our Brock Black Design. This is our Skull and War bonnet. Of course, this is primered. We're going to be painting one up. We'll definitely show you here soon. But it's an easy install. One bolt for our horn covers.